she's been. But nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away you or me. Man, I should totally have this solo on this one. Yeah? Can you play C? Or A minor? Alright, sweet. We got some perks to have musicians. Still crackling, huh? I thought I heard some crackling. South wind blow. The bridge is getting lower. The shrimp boat's coming home. The old man down in the corner slowly turns his head. He takes his drink from his whiskey bottle and this is what he said. I was born in the rain on a country train underneath the Louisiana moon. I don't mind the strain of a hurricane. We come around every June. Ah, black water, the devil's water. She's hot, she's cold, and she's deep. But nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away you or me. Oh, I was born in the rain on a bunch of train underneath the Louisiana moon. I don't mind the strain of the hurricane. We come around every June. Ah, black water, the devil's water. She's hot, she's cold, she's deep. Nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. Nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans.
That is sweet. That is great.